There are multiple ways to check the normality of data inside of R. Here we are creating 1,000 random normal observations and storing them into values. Now we can actually look at these values by double-clicking and running it. There's our 1,000 observations. But it's much easier to see them in a histogram, which we see is unimodal and symmetric, and that's how normal data should look. Next, we can use a normal quantile plot by using the library regclass. If you do not have it, go ahead and install it, and then run library regclass. The normal quantile plot with the function QQ will show us if our data is normal by following the red line. Even if it doesn't follow it perfectly, it mostly should follow it, and that would indicate normality. Next, we can do a Shapiro-Wilk test, which will do a statistical test where the null is normal and the alternative is not normal. Since the p-value here is high, we would fail to reject the null and still believe it's normal. Let's contrast that with data that's not normal. This data is uniform. You'll notice here a uniform distribution, which is not unimodal. Next, you can see the QQ plot does not follow the red line. It deviates from it a lot, indicating non-normality. Finally, the Shapiro-Wilk test has a low p-value, reject the null, evidence of non-normality.